MBA-Exchange.com is a comprehensive careers platform dedicated to business professionals seeking mid-career to senior management roles. Our job area reports give you an overview of recruiting activity from all the relevant employers in each of those respective areas. All our job area reports show real-time data and are based off the previous 6 months. Each report starts with the job area overview, showing how many employers operate in each industry. You can also see how many employers fall under each tag and the number of corresponding jobs and development programs. Below that, you can see the current top employers on the platform and companies that are trending, and a graph about the top job locations. In the Jobs by Industry tab, you can deep dive the job area by industry. Here, you will also find information about the percentage of jobs in the selected industry, and its popularity with the current top employers for that job area, and sample jobs for those employers, with locations, followed by the latest jobs in the industry, as well as some info about jobs that have received H-1B sponsorship. Lastly, you can see the current top 5 development programs for the area and their respective employers. The next tab is a breakdown of the jobs area by location. Scrolling down, you can see a map of how the employers are distributed throughout the world and the number of jobs by location. It is possible to start deep diving by country. You can see the percentage and popularity of jobs from the selected area and the current top employers. Below that is a breakdown of the top industries in relation to the area with the top employer and some job examples, and the latest jobs in the job area for the country. Lastly, you can see the current top 5 development programs for the area in the country and their respective employers.